Boom, buckler. Look at that. What's up again, my people? What's up, my beautiful subscriber? Special thanks to Philip. Big up yourself, Philip. Enough love, heart to love. Yeah, one more day again, one another. Banger! Alright, just now I cook some wild dumpling, saltfish. Check out the fire. Fire already blazing. Ingredients there. Some flour here. So I'm gonna get the flour needed now. Let's put it on the fire. Yeah, man, check out the fire. Fire blaze. Burning, ready. Yeah, right, just I'm gonna add some fluid. Call it bram in case the fire get down. And blaze it up with this pot. Blazing, alright, man. Get the flour pot on the fire now. Yeah, my people. Subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up the video. Like, comment. Okay, I want to say big up yourself, Philip. You know yourself. Special subscriber. Big up yourself. Thanks very much. Super thanks, okay? Okay guys, right here, so we got some flour, some white flour. We're gonna add some cornmeal in it. That is it. Some cornmeal dumpling. Now I'm gonna add some brown flour to it, some wheat flour to it. So we have two kind of flour plus cornmeal. And check out the fire. Ready? Yes, my people, like up the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, we're gonna add some salt. We don't measure anything down here. This kitchen I don't measure anything, my people. And it's gonna turn out so wonderful. Add some water now. And get that knead up now, my people. And make some boiled dumplings. So catch me when I need it up. Subscribe to the channel. Get it knead up now. That is it. Yeah. So we need flour, eh? Yes, my people, like up the video. Thumbs up the video. Comment. Yeah. It's gonna be beautiful. It's get in there. Yeah, I'm going to big up all the Jamaican bloggers. Reach out, let's collab, okay? Yeah, I want to say big up to my subscriber, Philip. Special thanks, okay, bro? Look at the fire. Fire blazing, my people. Yeah, get this knead up. Get the water on the fire now. Fully knead up. Yes, guys. We're gonna have some boiled dumpling, okay? Check it out. Fire blazing. Yeah, man, the fire ready for the pot now. Like up a video, tell a friend. Comment, okay? Fully knead up, setting. Yeah, I got the water on the fire now. Yeah. As soon as that start to boil up, I'm gonna put the flour in it. Yeah, so stick around. Like up the video, guys. Yeah, the machine right there. So touch the road, you know what you do. Yeah. Got this. Beautiful. Yeah, guys, we're gonna have some popcorn here. We have some melon over here too. We have some pepper, hot pepper coming up. We need to get this melon in the ground. We're gonna get all the melon between these. Lots of pop chop. Crazy amount of pop chop, guys. Pop chop to plant out again. Lots of pop. Yeah, we have lots of pop chop cooking. Outdoors. Yes, we have sorrel coming up. Yep, sorrel, lots of sorrel coming up. We got the plant deal coming up too. We're gonna plant out this another day. Right now, cooking some cornmeal dumpling. Yeah, check in guys. Flour already knead up. Yeah, water start boil up here. Fire blazing, look at it. Yeah. That is it. Oh, it started to get hot now. Yeah, you know, start boiling, but it's flour still can't go in. So I'm gonna drop in the flour now. Okay guys, yeah, catch me and drop in the flour. Subscribe to the channel. Alright, yeah guys, I'll get the flour in the pot now. Real cornmeal dumpling, guys. Look at it. Last one. Guys, look at that. Yeah, water hot enough, but you not start boiling. So let's close it up and check on back on it. Yeah, all of it gone in the pot. Beautiful. Okay guys, right here, sir. Look at this. I got two dry up. Look how them huge. Yeah, I'm gonna plant them. As soon as I get them sun up, make them fully dry, then I'm gonna plant them. And let me show you a tree. Check out this tree right here. Yeah man, natural man. Look at these. Fully okra vibes. Yeah, man. See them okra. See the tree tall. Taller than me. As soon as them dry, then plant back a lot of okra. You're gonna have okra right in here, go right through. Through the turmeric, go right up. So subscribe to see all of that, okay? Like up the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Check in on the pot. Yeah. Soon ready. Then we're gonna have some baked butter bean, saltfish, and boiled dumplings. It's gonna be so yummy. Yes guys, right here so we got the saltfish already boiled, pre-boiled already. Yeah, look at that. Yeah man, so we're gonna have saltfish and butter bean. Yeah, that is it. Subscribe to the channel. So I go through now and I get this clean up. Get off this thick skin right here. Get it clean up. And then we're gonna fry it up. Stay tuned for that. Okay guys? Yeah, pre-boiled saltfish. That is it. Look at the fire. Blazing. Yeah. Where I start to pick up now guys. Check what I go out. Fire move a little lame but it's getting there. Like up the video. Okay guys. Got the saltfish fully cleaned up. Yeah. That is it. So we have in saltfish, baked bean, or joke, butter bean I should say. Yeah. Always I mix it up with baked bean, but you can work with saltfish. Saltfish, baked bean, saltfish, butter bean, anything. So beautiful. Let's check on the fire. Whoa, bubbling. Look at that. Started to bubble my people. Yeah, real cornmeal dumpling. Yummy. Yes my people. Yeah, I get a little stir now. Where's the pot cover right here, so just get a little stir. Yeah, stir it up, bubbling. Started to bubble. Yeah man. Pops. Started to bubble my people. Yeah people, you know you go from we not work, we are cook. Always. We not work, we are cook. Or a plant something in the earth. That is it. Look at it. Bubbling guys, bubbling. Yeah, look at that. Like up the video. So I get this off our fire now. Get the saltfish fried up with the butter bean. With some onion and garlic. You know the whole works. The whole sea is natural city vibes. It's gonna be beautiful, it's gonna be nice. Stay tuned, stick around. Okay guys, like up the video. Check out the links in the description. Okay. Yes guys, got that. Fully boiled. So we'll get this fry up now. Get the frying pot on the fire. Cut up the season. First we're gonna cut up the season first. Get this fried up. Get the butter bean inside. We're gonna have the feast with this cornmeal dumpling. Tune in. Like up the video. The pan the fire. Ready for the frying pot now. Yeah. Some real with them, you know, some lago, you know, my people. Yeah, man, them a burn nice, and people. Fast. So I get the frying pot now on this fire. Yeah, so let's shove it up a little. Got all our season fully washed, ready to dice up. Saltfish already picked and clean and ready. So I get some oil in it right now. Yeah, that is it. As soon as the oil hot, chop in the saltfish and chop up the season and throw in. Start to fry it up. Tune in. Okay guys, get the season fully diced up. Everything. Yep. Alright, got the saltfish in there now. Fire blazing. Yeah, my people, like up the video, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Feel it, big up yourself, okay bro? The saltfish fry up with the season. And then add the butter bean in it. Make it simmer. Yes, my people, can you smell that? Yummy. Look at that. Yeah. Need a little stir again, guys. Butter bean up on the side. Normal settings on my people. Stir it up. Yeah man, saltfish and fry up. Butter bean ready. Jugs, check it out. Butter bean. The man is ready for the butter bean now, my people. Throw the butter bean in there now. Boom, buckler. Look at that. Yummy. Subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend. Time for the butter bean. Stir it up. Look at that, people. Yeah, I make that just go and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Share out, start to eat. Okay. Yeah, guys, let's check it now. Boom, buckler. Look at that. Yeah, bubbling. Look at that, guys. Ready? Yes, guys, the darkness are coming on. Ready, guys. Ready. Can you smell that? I get started for the fire now. Yeah, look at that. Yes. Yeah, time to share now, guys. Look at that. Right, so we got some flour. Yeah, and baked bean. We got flour and butter bean. Yeah, time to share. Catch me after my share on. Eat, okay? Subscribe to the channel. Guys, look at that. Yeah, man. Check it out. Yeah. Yummy. Plenty more dumpling. Yes, guys. Take another look at taste. Take another one. Got that. Rich. Coconut juice, me throwing it in, guys. Never shown me that. Man, just some natural, authentic, grated coconut milk. Thumbs up the video. Got that. Yo, check it out. Dumpling, nice. Got that. Yeah. Like up the video. If you want to see more of this cooking, subscribe to the channel. Yes, people, look at that. Yeah, sit down. Your food nice, we can't even sit. Look at that. What? Take another taste. More flat. Darkness are coming on people. Yeah, like that. Full hot. So now I go through and have a seat and make the food digest. I go eat and make it digest. Until next time, check out the links in the description. Anything you can donate will be grateful. Okay, subscribe.